Okay. Thanks, dude. It looks like we've got a shortcut to the beginning. And let's grab our stuff. We're on my quest bag. Sweet! So we only need, we've got all of the pieces. We just need to meet Black Gnarl and we're good. Yeah, let's get out of here. Well, we've got an option. We could, let me see here. We could go through Gorge Keep, or we could go back and we could go to the top of the tree and go through the reed plain. And I think it'd take a little bit of backtracking, but I think I'm gonna go through the reed plain. If I can find the barrier. Where's the barrier? There it is. Didn't I turn those off? Oh, must have missed one. Alright. And next... which way? Where are we? Okay. Underground City. Wherever it is. I guess we just keep going this direction. There it is. Remember this place? And north exit. And this way. All the way to the top. I think there's a portal. Yeah, there is. Okay. Is that not it? Oh, I see. Okay, thanks for not being very obvious, game. How was I supposed to know I was supposed to do that? I just hit the button on accident. Okay, very importantly, we should save. Because I played 20 minutes earlier, and I got killed, and I forgot to save. Had to do it all over again. Here we are at the reed plain.
So thick with reeds. It'll be tough pushing through these.
Let's drop some of this crap. Most notably this. There we go. Hello?
They're close. Watch yourself.
Who are you in there?
Names are for men. Keep going. I'm not one of them. Swordsmen, riders, creatures, deep in the reeds. A trap.
That's not a very convincing whatever that is voice.
Why warn me?
They are many. You are one. I am one.
I suppose there's a logic there, friend. They've picked a good place for an ambush.
The reeds can be a friend.
You sound as if you know this place.
With skill and luck, the reeds will cover your passage.
They hide my enemies from me.
In the reeds, they cannot attack all at once.
What if they surround me with fires?
This place is green and fresh. No fire burns here.
You've been generous with your advice. If you were me, how would you escape this place?
High rock all around the plain. But in the northwest, there is a passage, a way out. Move quick now. Enemies all around.
Don't worry, you'll be safe. They're after me.
Yes, after you. After you.
It's going to be tough going, making a way through this.
Okay, this is gonna be annoying. What the hell is that? Whoa. Oh god, it's like Stone Keep. Oh my. Wanna watch 168 videos of this? Nice. It's a interesting way to do the map. Well, at least these don't have as many hit points as the as whatever those things were a second ago. Okay, these guys kind of hurt. Oh, dog! That almost killed that one guy. The guy in one hit. I love this thing. Actually, heal. Oh shoot. Dum da dum. Oh crap. Okay, I saw spikes there. So I'm going to avoid the spikes. Oh yes. Why would they give me this? Aw, dog. I just wasn't feeling your singing, dog. Oh. Come on. There we go. Oh, God. So it's over here. Nothing? Oh! Yoink.